Hey guys, as you might know, I'm right now creating a course for MotherDuck about DuckDB and MotherDuck and how you basically can go from laptop to the cloud very easily. And I have to say it's super, super cool. I have a lot of fun creating that course. And now I'm actually at the stage where everything is done. The code is created, the scripts are done, and I'm starting to record. And for that, I said, send me a MotherDuck shirt. I'm going to wear a MotherDuck shirt. So let's look what they have sent me, because it's a larger box than I actually anticipated. So what is in there? Let's see. Oh, a MotherDuck, a little duck. I think that's something for the kids. But I think I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this here in the recording. Let's get the camera away. I think I'm going to put this here for the recording somehow. So if you see it in the background, then you know. A little note. We're excited to partner with you on the course. Cheers, MotherDuck team. And then actually here, a few stickers. Nice. Now we're getting to something. This is what I need. So what is this? This is a shirt. And let me know which one I should wear for the recording. The MotherDuck one? This one? I'm usually a polo guy, so I might be wearing that polo for the recording. What's that? A mug. Wow, that's one hell of a mug. Nice. Here, that's going to go on my desk. What else is here? Wow, wow, they were not kidding around. A MotherDuck hoodie. Nice. I wear these a lot. I like it. So, which one should I wear for the course creation? This one, or this one? Or this one, or maybe this one. I find it really nice. Well, also what they did is here on the side, it says, making analytics fun, frictionless, and ducking awesome, motherduck.com. Okay, I'm going to let you know once the course is up on Udemy, on YouTube, and in my academy. So until then, let's drink some coffee. See ya.